Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to set camera to current view in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use Monkey Susan. We can go to Add, Merge, and go to Add Monkey Susan. And then we can use middle mouse button to change angle of the view. If we want to set camera to current view, we can go to Add the camera first, go to Add, Camera. And then make sure that we select the camera and go to View, and we can choose Align View and Align Active Camera to View. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl Alt Number Pad 0 to align Active Camera to View. I click it. Now the camera is set to current view, but sometimes the 3D model is outside the camera area. If we want to make further changing, we can go to the side panel and go to View and lock camera to View. And then we can use middle mouse button to change the angle of view. Or we can pending it, or we can rotate it, or we can zoom in or zoom out. So this is how we can set camera to current view in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.